Here's an Ernest Hemingway ceiling fan. Don't know too much about it. And it's installed here with a Hampton Bay remote setup. And it's on an 8-foot ceiling, so let's do a quick test on it. There's the light, it's fully dimmable, so you hold this down. That's all the way dimmed. Bring it back. And we'll leave the light on for this video. It's not super bright in here anyways. Here it is on low. So this does have pull chains, but I believe it's set to high speed to allow the remote to work. It's a pretty nice low speed. I'm not sure if this is factory or if the capacitor's going out. Let's see if I can get a lower angle. It's got a basket weave motor design there. Definitely a nice looking fan, although it doesn't really appeal to my taste. Anyways, here it is on medium. Yeah, generally I'm not a huge fan of this dome style light fixture. They don't really give off a whole lot of light. Alright, it's a little faster. Let's just go up to full speed. It's not really a fast fan. Alright, we'll shut it off. Turn the light off, and if my phone has enough storage left, we'll get the entire spin down. Has good bearings, that's for sure. Alright, we're gonna have to cut this short. But you got the idea. That is the 52-inch Ernest Hemingway ceiling fan.